Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with a new off-campus drive from the Tata Elxsi company. So we will check, this will be totally virtual online off-campus drive. Okay, so dear colleagues, Tata Elxsi is planning to conduct an open virtual off-campus drive to select the best talent with excellent academic track records and with a good programming skills for Tata Elxsi locations pan India. Your job location will be pan India, that is they will assign you Chennai location, Hyderabad location, Bangalore location, and multiple locations will be available for but they are looking for the immediate joining. Okay, so please find the eligibility criteria for the 2021 year campus drive. Candidate should be from 2021 batch. He should be part of BTech Electronics and Communication, CSIT Electrical Electronics. Then instrumentation background candidate can also apply. Then MEM Tech, under MEM Tech, IT Computer Science, VLSI Design and Embedded, Electrical and Electronics, Digital Electronics, Automobile, Power System, Control System, Artificial Intelligence, Data Science, 5G, IoT, Wireless. All these branch candidates are allowed to participate in this off-campus drive, as well as MCA candidates. MCA candidates are also eligible. Candidates must have minimum 60% in 10th and 12th or diploma, and CGPA of minimum 6 in undergraduation and post graduation if applicable. Suppose if you have not completed your post graduation, then no worry, you can still eligible. Suppose if you have completed your post graduation, still also you can apply. Okay, so if anyone is working in the Tata Elxsi company, suppose your friend, then he or she can refer you. Okay, so that's why they have written here, mentioned here, you may refer your friends who meet the above criteria to register at the given link to participate in the event. Upon shortlisting, candidate will receive further information on the intimation on the next step. Okay, so event dates are 14 July to 16 July. On 14, 15, 16 there will be 3 dates. On 3 different dates there will be separate examination. Then last date of registration is 8 July. Okay, so registration link is this. Okay, forms.office.com. So or you can scan this code. There is no need to scan this code. You will get this link directly in the description box. So this is that link, Tata Elxsi Campus Hiring 2021. This is the registration form for Tata Elxsi Campus 2021 drive to select the best talent with consistent academic track and with good programming skills for all its locations in India. Before you start filling up, please check if you fulfill the following conditions. I repeat, you should be from 2021 pass out batch. You are a part of the following educational streams, that is BE BTech and ME MTech and MCA. Under BE BTech, Electronics and Communication, Telecommunication, CS, IT, Electrical and Electronics and Instrumentation candidate, all these branch candidates are allowed. ME MTech, under ME MTech, IT, Computer Science, VLSI Design and Embedded, Electrical and Electronics, Digital Electronics, Automobile, Power System, Control System, Artificial Intelligence, Data Science, all these candidates are eligible. You should have minimum 60% in 10th, 12th or diploma, and CGPA minimum 6 CGPA in undergraduation and post graduation. Okay, so how to apply? You please enter your college name here. What you need to do is click here. If your college is not listed in this list, then click on other option and enter your college name here. Okay, suppose if your college name, suppose this is, okay, so then select your college name, then please choose your degree. Okay, so select your appropriate degree, then please choose your branch. All these branch candidates are allowed. Suppose I select computer science, then click on next. Then please enter your name as on Aadhaar card. Then please enter your Aadhaar card number. Then choose your date of birth from here. Okay, so then enter your mail address. Please enter your mail address correctly. On that mail address you will get your aptitude test link. I repeat, please enter your mail address correctly. Many of the candidates give wrong mail ID, so most of they don't receive the aptitude test mail. Okay, so please mention your correct mail ID. Then select your gender. Then what are the tests that you are willing to take? Application development, this test will be conducted on 14 July 2021. Embedded development, this test will be conducted on 15th July, and scripting test will be on 16th July at this time, 10 to 12 p.m., 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so choose your test whether you are interested in application development, embedded development, scripting, or application development and embedded development in both, then application and scripting, then embedded and scripting. Select appropriate whether you are interested in which examination. So for example, I selected this. Enter your contact number, then contact address, then click on next. Then again they will ask you some of the other required questions. Fill that form and submit this form. So this is a very simple application process. So dear guys, please apply for this Tata Elxsi off campus drive. This is a great opportunity for all of you. So please share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply for this off campus. So thanks for watching this video. You will get you will get this link in the description box below. Please click on that link and apply now. Thank you.